Hello students, today we will learn how to create and publish web pages in a blog. Do you want to publish information on the World Wide Web to express yourself, share your knowledge, and allow the readers to comment on your post? If the answer is yes, then it is possible to have your global presence on the internet when you write a blog. The person who writes a blog is called a blogger. Anyone without any technical knowledge or programming can write a blog on his favorite topic and establish himself as an expert. A blog is a combination of words web log. A log is an official record of events or diary of information. For example, a teacher maintains a teacher's log to record the daily activities that are carried out in the classroom. A blog, on the other hand, is a frequently updated online personal journal or diary where a person can log, write or post information related to his interest or activities, express his ideas or opinions, or share his knowledge through writing articles on specific topics. Students, let's know more. The word weblog was coined by John Barger on 17 December 1997. It was Peter Merholz who broke up the word into weblog and introduced the short form blog in April or May 1999. First, let me tell you some important features of a blog. An internet connection is required to publish a blog. However, a blog can be written offline and uploaded on the internet when the connection is available. A blogger can interact with the readers by answering their questions and regularly updating the contents after the readers have given comments related to the page. This enables the blogger to establish trust with the readers. To write a blog, we need a blogging tool. There are many such tools available on the internet, that is, Weebly.com, Sitebuilder.com, etc. However, WordPress is an online and one of the most popular open source website or blog creation tool which is versatile and simplest to use. It offers both paid and free services. It allows you to make a website or blog in the shortest possible time. Blog can be written on any topic related to business, education, legal, traveling, marketing, advertising, health, sports, etc. Blogs contain text and pictures, but videos and even audios can also be added to give more information. Most blogs are free for public, but some bloggers may ask the readers to register to access their content. They earn by writing blogs. Blogs can have more than one page, and the front page is the page posted last. Students, few points to remember while writing a blog. Understand your target audience. Have a clear understanding of their interests and what do they want to know about. Select an engaging topic and then interesting title. A prominent headline and entering opening statement is the key to attract people. Make sure the blog is well structured. Organize your contents, header, body of the text and footer in the layout shown in the figure, or you can choose a layout of your choice. The blog should be written in a lucid language. Before posting the blog, make sure to edit or proofread your post and fix your formatting. Insert a call to action (CTA) at the end. At the end of every blog post, you should have a CTA that indicates what you want the reader to do next. Subscribe to your blog, download an ebook, read a related article, or even comment, etc. Use social media like Facebook, etc. to make your blog popular. This method of marketing offers a huge potential. Basic layout of a blog. There is no fixed layout for a blog layout. However, the most commonly used layout can be seen in the given figure. Students, do you know what does it mean to host a blog? Once the basic plan to write a blog is ready, we have to host the blog and select a domain name. The computer where your blog is stored is called the host, which can be your computer, or you can buy space from other computer called the server. The host computer assigns a domain name system DNS address. DNS is an internet service that translates domain names into IP, Internet Protocol, and enables communication between your computer and the server so that anyone can find your blog on the internet by typing the domain name. Domain name is the address of your blog, which the user types on the browser to see your blog. It is also called URL, Uniform Resource Locator. It should be unique and should explain your topic in short. It should be related to the subject. Avoid giving your name as address. There are various websites that offer blog service for free. Some of the popular blogs are www.wordpress.com, www.blogger.com, www.tumblr.com, www.weblay.com. Students, let me tell you how to make an account with WordPress. Open the browser, Chrome or Firefox window. In the address bar, type www.wordpress.com. Press the Enter key. Select the option Blogs. If you are a new user, select the Get Started button, else click on the Login button present at the top right side. Step 1. You will get the screen as shown in the figure with the heading, Let's Create a Site. Mention the name of the blog, My First Blog, in the field. What would you like to name your site? Enter the site is about latest cars in the field. What will your site be about? Fill in the required fields and click on the Continue tab. Step 2. Give an address to your site. Choosing a common and short address will ensure that visitors to your blog can remember the address easily. The address must also be related to the subject of the blog. Here we are going to see that how to make a blog about cars, so we have chosen the address as Cars of Thars. The first option displayed, namely carsofthars.wordpress.com, uses the wordpress.com domain and is therefore free to use. The other options listed are available in the premium plans or have to be paid for separately. Choose carsofthars.wordpress.com by clicking on the select to the right of this address. Step 3. Choose a plan that is right for you. WordPress has various options ranging from free, which is suitable for students. Click on the Start with Free tab to select the free plan. In addition to the price, the features of each plan are also indicated, which will help in making your choice easy. Step 4. In the Create Your Account window, type your email address, username, and password. To log into your account, you have to use either your email address or the username. Click on the Continue tab to proceed with creating your blog. Step 5. The message, Done. Thanks for waiting. We are ready for you to get started will be displayed. Click on the Continue tab. Step 6. A Welcome to WordPress.com pop-up message appears on the screen. You can press the right button and start writing on your blog, but the post will be published only after you have confirmed your email ID and the site is activated. Step 7. To activate your site, log in your email account that you have used to create your WordPress account. In your inbox, you will find a message from WordPress. Click on the Click here to confirm now tab and your WordPress account will be activated. A message will be displayed that your new account and email have been confirmed. Students, note that do not try to use Cars of Thars as your site address unless you wish to choose one of the paid alternatives. The free option, namely carsofthars.wordpress.com, has already been used for this demonstration. Now let me tell you how to make a post. In the preview window, click on the right tab present at the top right side to start making your first blog post. When you click on the right button, the following screen will be displayed as shown in the figure. Here, you will notice that the blog post can be designed using HTML by clicking on the HTML tab or simply by typing in your desired content in the Visual tab. While it is easier to prepare your blog post using the visual option, but using the HTML option gives more flexibility in the design of your blog post. We shall begin here by examining the visual option in more details. Adding text and media. To add text, pictures, and videos in the blog post, follow the steps given below. Click on the blinking cursor and start typing the required text. Typing text and formatting text options like alignment, bold and italic are the same as we do in word processor. To upload media, click on the Add button. A drop-down list with the options mentioned below will appear. Media, media from Google, free photo library, contact form, payment button. Using the free plan from WordPress, we can store up to 3 GB of images. To add any picture to your blog, simply click on the Media button from the Display drop-down list. In the displayed screen, select the image and then click on the Insert button. You can also edit the selected picture by clicking on the Edit button on the top of the screen as shown in the figure. Moving the slider on the top right side of the screen allows you to change the size of the picture displayed here. As shown in the figure, with media added in the form of text and picture of the car, this is what the screen will look like. More pictures of your choice can be added. If the image that you want to insert in your blog is not available in the media library, you can upload the same from your computer by clicking on the Add New button. The image that you have selected from your computer will now be added to your media library. Students, let's know more. Using the free plan from WordPress, we can store up to 3 GB of images. Adding media from Google. WordPress allows you to add images from your Google account. Click on the Add button and select the media from Google from the drop-down list. Google will request you to connect through its Google account. So, connect through Google and click on Connect to access the images in your Google account. The screen will look like as shown in the figure. Adding contact form. The contact form allows the blog visitors to get in touch with the blogger through their suggestions, feedback and comments. Click on the contact form. The screen as shown in the figure will be displayed with 4 fields: name, email, website and comment. Additional fields can be added in the form by clicking on the Add New field. On doing so, the screen will look like as shown in the figure. The field marked as required will appear on the blog with the word required besides the field title. If a visitor does not fill in this field, he will be promoted to do so, else the form cannot be submitted. If you do not require a particular field, you can click on the bin icon besides the field name. This will delete the field from the form. You can also customize the notification settings for your contact form. Click on the Settings tab. The screen will look like as shown in the figure. Click on the text box titled Enter your email address and type in your email address. Multiple email addresses can also be typed in this box separated by commas. When a visitor fills in the contact form, a notification is sent to all the email IDs entered in this box. The subject of the message that will be sent to the blogger can also be customized by clicking on the text box titled What should the subject line be? Type in any suitable text and it will be used as the subject line for the notification email. Click on the Insert button when you have finished customizing contact form and your form will be inserted in your blog post as shown in the figure. Inserting links. If you have a free plan, then you do not have enough space to embed videos in the blog post. So then you can link the videos to be uploaded on the blog post. This serves as an extremely useful feature for the blogger, and they should use it whenever they can. To insert a link from a website or from your computer memory, click on the Insert or Edit Link icon and the screen will look like as shown in the figure. In the text box titled URL, type any URL. For example, type http://youtube.com/watch?v equal WR1MELVDOL4. This is the location of a YouTube video about the world's first powered vehicle. In the box title link text, type in "Click here to watch the video of the world's first powered vehicle." Click on the Add Link button when you have finished setting up the link. Proofread writing. Like a word processor, WordPress also provides a feature of spelling and grammar check. It is available on clicking on the Proofread Writing button. Students, let's know more. You cannot add a payment button in the free plan of the WordPress account. If you are doing a paid plan only, then you can add a payment button to your blog by using the Add Then Payment button. Now let me tell you how to use other settings and tools. Previewing the post. To make it convenient for the readers to read your blog and to make the blog easily accessible, it is important for the blogger to preview the blog. Click on the preview button present on the top right of the window. In the displayed window, click on the drop-down list towards the top left side of the screen. You can preview the blog when viewed on a desktop, tablet or on a phone. Click on the Close button to close the preview mode and return back to the blog post. Post settings. Click on the Post settings to set options related to your blog post. The post setting pane will be displayed on the right of the screen. Setting status options. Publish. Clicking on the status option will display a status submenu as shown in the figure. The first option under status is published information. This will display when the post is published. Clicking on the Publish option will display a calendar and allow you to change the date of publishing. Sharing. Using this setting, you can display icons that will allow visitors to share your blog post with their friends on social media like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. On clicking the Sharing button, figure will be displayed on the screen. Post format. In order to have posts in the form of images or videos instead of only text, we need to format the image post to accommodate this change. However, the settings can be left as standard. WordPress supports two types of content, namely pages and posts, depending on the type of blog you are designing. If you are using your blog as an online diary, you will use posts. Older posts will be pushed down and the old ones will be archived as per date. Posts can be organized using the categories and tags. Pages, as we know, are static. The content of the page does not change. For example, About Us, Contact Us. Since the contents of a tutorial always remain the same, it is preferably written as a page. Comments. The Comments button in the Manage section is the most interesting section of a blog post. The readers can interact with the blogger to give him feedback through their comments. Personalize. The Personalize section allows you to customize your blog. Configure. The Configure section allows you to personalize the blog as per the requirement. The first button here is the Sharing button, which allows you to use various social media to share your blog contents. The People button allows to create a page that displays information about the selected users along with their profiles, photographs, and even website links. Plugins. Plugins are used to add more features to your blog. Some of the plugins are available automatically for free sites as shown in the figure.